I just wanted to stop by here again before I went in. Aren't they so cute? Still March the 28th, Friday. I came out to, as you can see, I got all those limbs cleared out there at the street for the trash pickup. And they kind of all run inside when they hear that lawnmower. But aren't they just so cute? I love watching them. Love watching them. Just love watching them. Sorry, sometimes my finger gets in there. I'm trying to hold the camera steady as I can. I think most of them went inside because they don't like that lawnmower. But I just love watching them. Look, they already wallowing in the dirt, scratching the dirt. They even eat the big chicken scratch. All right, let's see if we can get a view over here. I think they're all way back there at the water tank. Let me see if I can get over there. Yeah, they're all at that water tank, or either they're inside on the nest. But you can see up there, got their new top all covered. Still got their new top up there. I want them to have plenty of sun, but I don't want no other birds scooping down in there with them, or the cats. But the cats have never tried to bother them. But I don't know, I just love watching them. And I hope I do good with them. I've had chickens before, and each time I try to do better and better. I want to do better and better each time. I want to learn more and more about them and take care of them as good as I can. There's a big treat ball out there they're still working on from Tractor Supply. Well, you all stay safe this weekend if you're in the path of the weather again. And all I can say is stay in prayer. We don't know what's going to happen, but just pray and put your trust in God. He'll take care of you. And if you don't know him, call on him. Invite him into your heart to be your Lord and Savior, and he'll save you. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate all my subscribers. I thank you for all the good prayers. And I pray for you. And we want to remember all those up in North Carolina, South Carolina, and like Deep River Forum said, the firefighters. And because they think the air is probably polluted, but it's burning everything. Piles and piles of debris, fires all over, people losing their homes again. Just keep them in prayer. And I'm gonna make my way back in. It's starting to, now when I didn't have the camera, they was swinging. Now that I got the camera on, You know, the wind's kind of blowing. I think they know maybe it's going to rain. I think it's supposed to rain Sunday and Monday and Tuesday maybe. Whoa, one came up to see me. You see that one? It flew all the way up here. I still think they're too small to take the tarp off, even though the wire at the bottom is tighter, smaller. When Big John was little at this age, he went through, he came out. I came out and I found him. He was trying to get back in. He had his wings out. I couldn't pull him out or I'd break his wings off. And I couldn't push him through. He was already too big. Big John the rooster was already grown too much. Female Alpha Tango. And so I had to get a wire cutter at the bottom down here. You see down here the things are tighter together. He went through one of them at this age. See, they're tighter, and then when you get up here, they're further apart. I had to actually cut the wire. I had to cut 2 of them to get him out of there. And he survived. And he's been a pretty good rooster. And here's my guard cat. Hey, Oscar. That's my guard cat. She likes to lay around here and watch them. But anyway, y'all have a blessed weekend.